A mother sparrow shields her chicks from the pouring rain, keeping them safe and warm under her protective wings. The brave robin guards its young ones, shielding them from raindrops until the storm passes. A caring blue tip protects her chicks from the rain, keeping them warm and safe until the sky clears. The clever crow covers its little ones with wide wings, giving them a safe haven from the rain. Under the finch's gentle wings, the tiny chicks stay dry, safe, and ready to chirp after the storm.